So the subject organizational behavior, and the module number 3, the managing team and leadership. So in this case, we're going to learn about group and intergroup relations, managing effective work group, understanding and managing work team, multicultural team, managerial communication and corporate reputation, leadership needs in 21st century, approaches to leadership. So these are the main topics we are going to learn in this module number 3. A group is collection of individuals who interact with each other such that the person's action have an impact on the others. In other words, a group is defined as two or more individuals interacting and interdependent who have come together to achieve particular objectives. In organizations, most work is done with groups. What is group? Groups where people get along feel they desire to contribute to the team and are capable of coordinating their efforts may have high performance level. Group can be defined as a collections of individuals who have regular contact and frequent interaction, mutual influence, the common feeling of camera camaraderie, and who work together to achieve a common set of goals. The definitions of group can be given by some other simple way like several people or things that are together in the same place, several people who are connected by some shared activity, interested or quality, several individuals assumed or having some unifying relationship. A set of people who meet or do something together because they share the same purpose or ideas. The team group can be defined in several different ways depending on the perspective that is taken. A comparative definitions would say that is a group exists in organization, its members are motivated to join. Perceive the group as a unified unit of interacting with people, contribute in a various amount to the group process, reach agreements and have disagreements through the various form of interaction. The functions of group, the organizational functions of group help to realize the organization's goal. Such functions includes are the following: working on a complex and independent task that is too complex for the individual to perform, that cannot be easily broken down into independent tasks. Generating generating new ideas or creative solutions to solve problems that require inputs from the several people, serving liaisons or coordinating function among several work groups whose work is to some extent independent, facilitating the implementation of complex decision. A group composed of representative from various working group can coordinate the activity of these interrelated groups, serving as a vehicle for training new employees. Groups teach new member methods of operation and group norms. The list is not comprehensive. The importance of group organization cannot be overemphasized because most of the organizational activities are carried out by groups. Since jobs in organization are become more complex and interdependent, the use of groups is performing task functions will become increasingly important. Groups may classify according to the many dimensions including functions, the degree of person involvement, and the degree of organization. Types of groups are: the first one, formal group; second, informal group; managed group; process group; semi-formal group; goal group; learning group; problem solving group; friendship group, interest group. l- the most of the groups, these are some examples. There are so many groups you can see in some books also, so you can look in that. Next one, skills for a healthy group climate. What are the skills for the healthy group? Let's see. To work together successfully, group members must demonstrate a sense of cohesion. Cohesions emerge as a group member exhibit the following skills. Openness, yes, that is most important. Trust and self-disclosure. Support, respect, individual responsibility and accountability. Constructive feedback. These are the some skills. 6 reasons why individuals join groups. The most popular reasons for the joining groups are related to security, esteem, affiliations, power, identity, and huddling. Implementation of a group management. On the basis of this analysis of group process in a work organization, we can identify the several action managers can take in order to help group to be more effective. The first one, increase managerial awareness. The second one, sensitivity of group norms. Third one, understanding pressures for conformity. Fourth one, harness group cohesiveness. Understanding and managing work team, multicultural team. So this is we're going to learn the managerial communication and corporate reputation. Management communication is a centric discipline in the study of communication and corporate reputation. An understanding of a language and its inherent powers combined with the skill to speak, write, listen, and form interpersonal relationship will determine whether companies succeed or fail, whether they are rewarded or penalized for their reputations. One of the things manager get done is the creation, management, and monitoring of corporate reputation. The job of a become a com- competent, effective manager thus becomes one of understanding language and action. It also involves finding ways to shape how others see and think of you in your role as a manager. Many noted researchers have examined the important relationship between communication and action with large and complex organizations and conclude that two inseparable. Without the right word used in the right way, it is unlikely that the right reputation develop. Words do matter, right excels and Noria. They matter very much. Without word, we have no way of expressing strategic concept, structural form, or designs for performance measurement systems. Language, they conclude, it is too important to manager to be taken for granted or even worse, abused. Leadership in 21st century. Leadership in the high involvement organization differs dramatically from that in the traditional and control oriented organization. Leaders external to the team have as one of their primary roles empowering group members and the team themselves to self-lead and self-manage. Leaders internal to the team are peers. They work alongside and stimulously facilitate planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and executions of teamwork. Although we know a great deal about the determinant of the effective leadership, we have much to learn. Each theory presented in this chapter is put into practice by manager every day. None provide the complete answer to what make leader effective, but each has something important to offer. Finally, our understanding is leadership has many shortcomings and limitations. The existing literature is largely based on observations from a Western industrialized context. The extent to which our theories of relationship are bound by our culture, limiting generalizations to other culture, is largely unknown. Cross-cultural leadership research will no doubt intensify as a global economy becomes an ever more dominant force in the world.